Hello friends, this is David here. This video is going to be about myself. Let's get into the video, guys. Myself, David. My full name is David Gibbs. I was born at Bombay, Maharashtra. I was born on 24th May 2000, which means this is 2020. So I've completed my 20 years so far. From my pre-KG to first standard, I studied at Bombay at a school known as St. Joseph Higher Secondary School. Then we had to shift to Chennai because of my dad's job. At Chennai, I started my schooling from second standard to fifth standard at St. Marian's Higher Secondary School, which is located at Patroda. Okay, so from my 6th standard to the 12th standard, I studied at Velangani Matriculation Higher Secondary School, which is located at Ashok Nagar here in Chennai. Then my 10th standard percentage was 92.4%, and my 12th standard percentage was 74%. Then I moved to college. I am now currently pursuing my bachelor's degree at Panimola Institute of Technology. The department which I have chosen to study is mechanical because according to me mechanical is a swag, man, because I like mechanical. This automobiles, automotives, mechanisms and all my heart. So I would prefer to study mechanical. If we have coding and then another side we will have designing like components, then I will choose designing because coding is far for me. Even though I was born at Bombay, my native is Thoothukudi. That is a small village known as Mukuperi, which is situated at Thoothukudi district. I love my native, man. It's really mesmerizing. Everyone love their native because something when we go to a native, we just get refreshed. The main thing about my native is I like the food style. The food is really amazing, man. A thing called barota. I don't know how to pronounce it in English. It's really amazing. Whenever I go there, the only thing which says between me and my village is barota because I love it, man. I love the food. Not only barota, even the side dish which are given is amazing. It would be a perfect place for a foodie like me. Okay. My field of interest like I like to design and work on handy works like repairing something or just doing like a core jobs because entirely I don't like that sitting in front of a computer working on it coding. I don't like that. But even designing, I like designing. Okay, its field of interest would be designing and working handy jobs like core jobs, those stuffs and all. The languages known by me are Hindi, Tamil and English. English I know to read, write and speak. Tamil also I know to read, write and speak, and Hindi I know to speak and listen alone. I can't read and write because since after first standard I just shifted to Chennai, right? So I am not staying in touch with Hindi. Okay. Short term goal is to complete engineering completely and get placed in a good job. My long term goal will be that I like to explore things. So I would like to travel to different countries just to explore what's the difference between the India and all those countries. So I would like to explore. My main motto of this is to biking because I like biking, man. Biking is something which brings us nearly close, right? Those bikes, the engine is like a heart of that bike. So engine, my heart, both are binded. So just now I even bought. Wait, not me. My dad bought a Royal Enfield Classic 350. So bike youngsters are very binded to bikes, right? Okay, so well, particularly I don't have any sort of big hobbies. I like to just design some things or just research on something by sitting on a laptop or computer, whatever. My positive points are that if I get connected to a thing, I will not rest until it's fully completed. That is, I will not just complete it half, I will fully complete it so that the work will be perfect. And even that's my negative point because if I start to work, I won't sleep or else I won't do anything until that work is finished, which might hurt my physical health. So I like to do that. And negative is that sometimes I don't like to do physical work. That is when I just plan that okay, from now we are going to keep a diet, gonna reduce my fats, and the thing entirely flops the next day itself. I must accept that because the things are very worse in my those diet things and all. I'm great that I have joined the study monk because in this lockdown, the first 1.5 month, I just was relaxing myself. That is, my hobby was to wake up, eat, then again sleep. This was the repeating process. So one of my friends suggested me to join study monk, and now the video that I'm shooting is also because of study monk. The task they have gave to me, that is a milestone one. So I'm glad that I've joined Study Monk. They have even I have completed two courses like web development and SolidWorks and many more things. Like just now I have came to know that what is blog, what is UI UX, how to build a portfolio. Even I have a portfolio on my account. After joining Study Monk, I have started updating my LinkedIn account. The LinkedIn account will be given in the description also. The softwares in which I will be able to design SolidWorks, Fusion 360. All this comes from the basic AutoCAD which I completed in CAD Center. Then SolidWorks and Fusion 360 are from the designing side, and for analyzing side I am just undergoing classes for ANSYS which would be completed soon, I think so. I like pets a lot, but the only issue is that I'm staying in flats, so I'm not able to have any pet. Even though I had some green parrots, nearly 6 to 7 at a time, those were very kind, you know. Whenever at the morning we will just open the cages, they will come, roam in the whole house, come and sit in our laps, and again they will go back to the cages. It will be really awesome, man. Dogs, cats, and all are not able to grow them in my house because since it's a flat and a 2 BHK house, so it's a little hard, man. If still you're watching my video, thank you for watching. This is David Kip signing off. If you want to contact me, my Instagram ID is David_Kips, that is KIB, and 4 Z's, and then another underscore, then 20. This is my Instagram profile name. You can just text me there. I will be always there for replying. Thank you, guys.